Good morning, good morning. So we are at my favourite place in the world where we ran yesterday. So today we're going to do a ride. I say we're going to do a ride, we're going to do the same loop but not really ride together. And then when we stop we'll just kind of social distance. We're not going to stop many times, to be fair. But I just love this route. So going up Duffstones, home Firth, home Moss, through Glossop, back round. So yeah. Let's just head up.
Star of the show is that Brexit,
GRX.
That just makes the most sense.
Yeah.
So actually, out of 4 of us, 3 of us have got 40 cassettes on.
This is the hack that you used to have to do before that
GRX.
came out, basically, yeah.
So what have you got on it?
Right, it's mountain bikes, XTR 4028.
40/28 and then a 40 at the back.
Yeah. As long as you're always going slightly uphill, you're fine.
So we're on the climb. My legs feel shot from yesterday running, like hilly trail running. Oh God. Yeah, legs definitely tired. Probably not the best day to do a hilly route, but it's Greg's first time up Duffstones. What do you think to it?
It's a solid 7 out of 10.
Duffstones though!
That's good. It's good. It's nice as a climb, but
Busy.
I think all I'm saying is if I rate it higher than 7 out of 10, what are you going to do with all the amazing climbs? Where would you put Galibier? If this is 10 out of 10, where would you put Galibier?
6.
What?
You never watched Round the Twist?
Oh, go away,
Greg!
Go away.
Hang on, you're telling me that Duffstones is a 7 out of 10 and you've never watched Round the Twist? You've never lived.
Best road in the world.
Greg has never watched Round the Twist. If you watch Round the Twist, let me know in the comments. If you haven't, then terrible. Greg, we're gonna get you on it. Right, let's go. Rate this climb.
Solid. About the same as the other one. Well, maybe a bit better. Maybe 7.5 out of 10.
It's so nice to be with my friends again. I know I said this yesterday, but I don't know. I just didn't. I don't know. I think you just forget like how. Not forget, because I always have fun with them. But because it's been so long since we've all done anything together, it's just so nice just to be around people that want to explore. And like Greg said this yesterday, is like, do you know what, it's so nice having friends that just want to get out and just, he actually said it's good having friends that want to pump the lymph because we were running, which I thought was very funny, but it's just nice to have that group that push you to do stuff, because it was because of all these friends that push me to what I'm doing now, and so I'm very grateful to have friends like that. This is just what like makes me just so happy and content and just being outside, and I can't wait until we can camp again. I cannot actually wait. I just want to get out in my bivvy, in my sleeping bag with my bike, and just sleep outside in the middle of nowhere. So we're obviously back from the bike and now we're walking up Indian's Head. All them rocks. Rock. And that's where we're going, to those rocks. Crotch shot. You alright down there?
What did you say?
I'm kind of slipping though because it's so steep.
You do look like you're slipping down it.
Moving.
Don't these rocks kind of look like a graveyard?
That's a nice thought.
In like a really beautiful way.
No. They're such good rocks, aren't they? Look at that.
Look at that, imagine falling down there. You'd be trapped forevermore, wouldn't you?
I love this place. Look at the rocks. Rocks here, rocks there, and look at that.
Nice. Let's have a look. Moment of truth.
Da, da, da. Oh.
How well have we carried this? Look at that.
This is we brought it in the tin. I love that we brought it in the tin.
It's brilliant.
The right of that wall, yeah.
Might find a better way.
We just-
Bash my knee.
We're such pros. I am just glad that we're able to see our friends again, and hope you're having good social distancing fun with your friends and just getting out and enjoying the wonderful nature. Also, what I was going to say is when I moved to Manchester, I didn't actually know anyone. I moved on my own, and what I did was I set up a Facebook group for like vegan. Oh, there's a little squirrel! Oh, shit! I got it on camera. I was looking at the squirrel. Yeah, I didn't actually know anyone, and so I set like a Facebook group up and just did like food meetups, and that's where I met Richard, and then met Greg in Thailand. So if you don't know anyone that is into running or the stuff you're into, just set up a Facebook group. It's only on a bit of grit. What, the camera?
As you went down,
Yeah.
we could see the cogs turning, saying,
Hold the camera!
I'm going down, but let's keep the shot steady anyway.
Keep the shot steady, keep the camera up.
Camera's the baby.
Of course. One last thing before I go. Look behind me. Oh, look at, oh, it's probably so dark you can't see it. Oh, now that is some craftsmanship. Look at that. What would you rate this one?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Better than that other hopeless one you took me out.